Welcome back. I'm Jalen with BasicToBeauty, and today I'm going to show you how to make these quick and easy cinnamon pull-aparts. Now, this recipe has been in my family for many years, and it still remains a staple within my home. And the reason being is that it only requires a few ingredients, and it's ready within a matter of minutes. So if you're a huge cinnamon roll lover like myself, then just keep watching. First, you will need one package of 8 buttermilk biscuits. I always like to use the extra flaky ones from Pillsbury because they are my favorites, but you can use whichever ones you prefer. Next, after you have removed the biscuits from their package, you will then cut each biscuit into 4 smaller pieces. Then you will need 2 tablespoons of butter, a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and you will mix it all together before melting it in the microwave for 1 minute. Next, you will want to make sure that your butter has melted all the way before you mix in your biscuit pieces. While mixing in your biscuit pieces, you will want to make sure that each piece is coated evenly with your mixture before putting them in the microwave to cook for 5 whole minutes. Now, while they are in the microwave, you will want to take the bowl out every other minute to rotate your biscuits with a fork to ensure that each piece is cooked evenly before enjoying your pull-aparts. After they have finished cooking in the microwave, this is what your finished product should look like. Now, not only does this look super yummy, but it tastes even better. Oh my goodness. And that's all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. All the ingredients will be listed in the description box below in case you missed it. And as always, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will catch you on my next video. Bye!